Hi, welcome back to Next Level English Prep. Today, we're looking into the second conditional, the grammar structure we use to talk about unlikely situations and their possible outcomes. This is perfect for talking about dreams, wishes, and what if scenarios. By the end of this video, you'll be creating your own imaginary situations like a pro. Let's get started. First up, we have unlikely situations. We use the second conditional to talk about a possible situation and its result, but it's not very likely to happen. Look at this. If I found a wallet on the street, I would return it to the owner. Could it happen? Sure. Is it likely? Not really. Another example is if I saw a snake, I would run. The focus is on the possible cause and its result. And here's where it gets fun. We use the second conditional to express dreams, wishes, and imaginary situations. Check out this timeline. The condition is having $1 million. The dream happens, and the result is buying a sailboat. So we can say, if I had $1 million, I would buy a sailboat. It's imaginary, but we're exploring what would happen if the condition were true. All right, a quick check. Look at this sentence. If I won the lottery, I would travel around the world. Is this a real or imaginary situation? It's imaginary, hypothetical. I didn't win the lottery. Do you think I will win the lottery? Probably not, unfortunately. Is it possible? Yeah, it's possible. Not very likely. That's the key to the second conditional. It's possible, not very likely. Let's break down the structure. The if clause uses the past simple, if I won the lottery. The main clause uses would plus the base verb, I would travel around the world. And for the negative, we just add not. I wouldn't spend all the money at once. And the question's a little bit different. We flip the result clause around. If you won the lottery, would you travel around the world? Notice the past simple is in the if clause, would is in the result clause. Time to practice. Pause the video and complete these 4 exercises. Use the second conditional form. Think about the if clause and the result clause. Let's check your answers. How did you do? Drop your score in the comments. Now let's dream big. Answer these questions out loud or leave them in the comments. Get creative. I want to hear your dreams. All right, a quick recap. The second conditional is for unlikely or imaginary situations, and the form is if plus the subject plus past simple, comma, subject plus would, and the base verb. Use it for dreams, wishes, and what if scenarios. That's it for the second conditional. If this helped you understand, smash that like button and subscribe for more grammar lessons. Keep dreaming, keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.